2001 Chevrolet S10 4.3 liter. It was given a little surge going down the road, kind of like a ooh, ooh, ooh. I saw where it could be a bunch of different things, but check engine light came on and said that the camshaft position sensor was giving some trouble. So it was only $23. We're going to pop one on it, and that might have something to do with it. If not, we're going to go for the idle air control. So we'll see what happens. Welcome to Crispin Garage. Your camshaft position sensor is like a Hall effect sensor. It's kind of like a pickup. That's what's going down in the distributor here. So this is the new one. We're going to take this apart so that so y'all can see what's going on. So the spark plug wires off, just like that. That's your coil wire. Comes over there to your coil. And these are little Torx. I think they're 15, maybe a T20. Oh yeah, that's what it is, T20. We'll take these right on off. There you go. There's one. All right, we're gonna stick these back in here so we don't lose them. Hold my fingers on them. There's your cat. Is it gonna be 15, maybe? Yep, that's 15. So we'll take the rotor off like this. There it is. Your rotor. Now we'll unplug the sensor. Just like so. Unplugs pretty good. Take these little screws out. I'll lay them right there. Two. Looks like we're going to have to turn the motor over. I'm going to try to do that with the alternator. All right, I'm going to take a 15/16, just like this. I'm going to put on the alternator, and see there? I'm going to push down on the belt and put pressure on it. I should be able to turn the motor over. It's taking it a little while, but we're getting it around there. See it coming? Once we get right there, I think that's going to be where it'll pull it right out. There she is, right there. That was the code it was throwing, so we're going to put the new one in there now. All right, here's the new one. She's going to sit right down in there. Just like that. And we get these are T20 still. I'll put the same screws back in it that came out. The new sensor came with new screws, but I don't feel comfortable putting the new screws in. I'm going to put the same ones that came out of it. Back in it. One tight. And two's tight. Now, remember these were T15. This should only go up there one way. Matter of fact, let me take these screws out. Put them in my hand. There you go. Make sure everything lines up good. This is also how you do a tune-up to this truck. If you want to put a cap and a rotor in it. This is your T15. Get that one started. And we get this one started. Tighten her right on up. Now all we're going to do now is we're going to put the cap back on. Well, before I put the cap back on, let me show y'all something. Alright, that's good. Now here's the plug that plugs into it. Make sure it looks good. Make sure you still got your grommet on there. Everything looks nice. Plug it right up just like that. We're going to put the cap back on, plug these back up, and that's it. That's all there is to it. So y'all remember, until next time, if she's giving trouble, she's probably going to the bad.